box up. For my smaller orders, the boxes, and then I was gonna use these. I got this on my head. What I put on when I go to sleep. Help my hair. My PGs on. PG. I'm nice and cozy. Put these leaves on my window. I think it would add some more to my little workspace. It's all packed up. I gotta print the label out on the side. It's actually raining today, but the boy Bungie, he passed away. I don't really like talking about it because it's sad. I'm just being there for the girl Bungie. I heard her make some noise. I think she might say her first words, so I can't wait. Slow down with the rain. I'm gonna drop it off at the post office. Yeah, these are actually my new charms. I'm gonna be using them for my earrings. What you doing? I don't know why on camera it looks like it's bigger. In person it looks like smaller. I'm not sure if it's just my eyes. It's the same. I don't really want to return it. That's why I look at reviews first to kind of see like what I'm gonna be getting. So you guys are gonna be in it.
When it comes to the things I need to do, I can happens to write out. I can like try to give me summer vibes. A few samples of these are the ones where it's 100% cotton. I think it's blue and with this purple. And one thing I'm personally really bad at is making cookies.
I was racked with guilt.
I'm about to drop my hair clips. It's now on there. The announcement for the drop is out now. This stand is on my Etsy. I decided I'm just gonna sell it. I haven't been filming like that, and this is a whole nother week. It's like Thursday. I forgot the last day I was filming. Sunday, I stopped filming. My cycle started. And these cramps, and I'm running my business, and then my period comes. No joke. I was dealing with that. Doing a lot better now. And it's over, so. This one is adjustable, and it's made with wire. 3 charms, a heart charm, and a moon. I want to make jewelry that's in silver and gold. I have an idea. So we're just gonna see where it goes. Since I'm not gonna be using string anymore, this is the string I added to my Etsy. Since I have 1 bead kit left, I'll be giving a free roll of string. Like, yes, the whole thing. The rest of my string up for sale on my Etsy. I have these. So these are a little bit different. This is crystal string. That one is elastic string. On my Etsy, I'm just putting materials I don't use anymore. I'm gonna read off my phone what I'm gonna share. If you haven't noticed, I changed my name on my socials to Jada Cozy because I've been wanting my pages to feel more personal. I want to document real moments in my life, especially while in my 20s, while also showing my business. Yeah, basically everything is kind of expanding and my vibe is cozy and chill. So that's what I want my audience to feel when they watch my videos. But also, I'm going to be real with you guys. My jewelry shop is still Jada's Jewel. That's where you guys can find my handmade accessories that I make in my home. I'm looking for what's going to be next.